2020, the Honda CR-V encountered a restoring that gained another front structure, a revamp hold-up, another standard engine, and a hybrid model. With these movements still new, we expect the 2021 Honda CR-V to be a remnant model. Apparently, the 2020 Animate passed on another front watchman, revived grille, revamp headlights, invigorated wheels, and 3 new tints. We envision that this structure should proceed as before when the 2021 CR-V appears in showrooms. Within's updates were continuously unassuming and used another center solace, repositioned USB ports, and all the more additional room. It moreover expanded a warned managing deal charging pad on touring models. We foresee this should all proceed as before when the 2021 CR-V appears. There is no official release date for the 2021 CR-V, anyway subject to past release plans, we expect a fall 2020 appearance. The 2021 CR-V's esteeming is in like manner dark, yet with no movements coming, we foresee that its evaluating should remain like the current model's $26,170 to $35,870 MSRP broaden.